Oh. Hello, good morning and welcome to Jah Wise Cook Shop season of jerk chicken. So we have a chicken now, leg and thigh we are working with this morning. So we do, we squirt the chicken, so that means that when we put on the season pan it, the season gonna soak inside that chicken. Watch me. Alright, we have got some boom now, we are going to work with some seasoning, yes, so we got some boom and rub some seasoning over it, inside and outside as usual. And we like our thing well seasoned. See? So we got some little bit of all-purpose, little bit of paprika in a that. Yeah? And then we got some boom now, we are going to run some pimento. We are going to use the powder one. And make sure so everything get well seasoned up. Because pimento are one of the flavors of jerk chicken. You know? You see, without the pimento, you're not going to get the real flavor. You see me? So alright. We got some boom now with some black pepper inside and outside under the skin. Make sure so your thing well seasoned up. Right? So we are going to wrap up 2 pieces. So who never see the first time, watch it the second time. You see me? So we got some boom with little all-purpose and little pimento. Look like the pimento. I got some rope with the pimento again. Boom. Inside and outside. And make sure your thing well seasoned. Right? After we do so now, we got some rope it again with the black pepper. Inside and outside. Right. Basics. That is all the powder seasoning. What we are going to do now? I'll chop up some wet seasoning and put on the thing. So we got so now. Alright. We have scallion. We have thyme. And we have the scotch bonnet pepper. Watch me. Alright, we cut up the garlic. Fine. I want to say, all I look at young people, them, I hope you're not taking either what me I show now and bring it to the table so when you have guests coming round, you know if you deal with them. You see me? It's simple, you know. Cooking is not a hard thing. It's just common sense, basic common sense. Alright. So we got some rope with the garlic now. We spread it all over with jerk chicken like so. Right? Again, we chop up the thyme. Right, that's at the time. No. Over a jerk chicken like that. Alright, we're now left out with scallion now. So we got some rope with the scallion now. Oh, fine. Alright, we are work with that now. So we got some rope over a jerk chicken. That's our thing. And sure we like our thing a bit spicy. We are work with the scotch bonnet pepper. Watch me now. Just